As a JAMB candidate, one of the most important things right now is some of you have been asking how to update your details, like updating your name, email address, password, and all the rest. You had some issues, you have not been able to access your JAMB caps and all the rest. So let me just guide you what you should do right now concerning updating your email address and any of your other details that you want to update or work on. It is very, very important that you do this right now. Now, look at what is on the script. JAMB, just right now, JAMB has, I believe you have read it, JAMB has activated portal for correction of email, for correcting email. If your email has an issue, JAMB activated portal for correction of email. Candidates with email address issues can now proceed to accredited JAMB CBT. Right now, JAMB has made everything to be in the hand of CBT centers. Both changing of your email, uploading your O-level result, change of course, change of institution, all these things, you cannot do it on your phone. You cannot do it on your phone. Let me emphasize, updating your email address, changing your password, changing your email, you have not seen your result, you want to rewrite, or you are noticing any suspicious issue on your portal, any challenge you are having, just enter keke or car or drive yourself, go to a JAMB CBT center. Of course, when you are going, go with some money because they may charge you a fee. Of course, they will charge you a fee. Go with some money, maybe 3,000, 2,000, 1,500, depending on the challenge. But almost everything right now is in the hands of the CBT centers. You can no longer do it on your phone. Before, you could do things like uploading of O-level result on your phone. You can do some of those things. Right now, you need to go to a JAMB CBT center. I want you to do this right now. Go over to a JAMB CBT center. But before you go, tell me the issues you're having so that I'll give you more clarification. You have not seen your results, talk to me. You are not able to access your portal, talk to me. You want to rewrite because you had issues in your first exam. You want to do this more pop exam, maybe your score is so poor. You want to do, feel free to talk to me right now. But first, you must be a member of our channel by joining. Click on join. So you join our channel, then like this video. Click on like right now. Like this video. Share this video. Click on share. Share this video on YouTube. Then copy the link. Share on other social media platforms like WhatsApp. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, we will start talking. There is a free video I'm giving you, very important, on the screen. Click on it and watch now.